Hi folks, just a bit of an update to the Hustler video. I did an Official Information Act request and got the police audio for the incident. I also found I had a better audio for the original incident, so I added that on as well.
Roger, event details 1 Charlie Twyford. Go to Chatham Road, crossover Mahu Road and Hazelwood Street. Outside the Cable Price Hastings and the Plan B Hydraulics. We've had 2 calls for an unknown male standing outside properties with cameras filming them. He's described as male wearing a black bandana around his face, a white hat, black clothing, body camera on his chest and a white camera on a selfie stick. It's unclear why the male's filming them. He hasn't been verbal or anything. The workers are starting to get a bit frustrated with the male of it.
Probably shots into.
Roger.
Where was that, Combs?
It's in Chatham Road, Flaxmere. We've also had a call from Omahu Road, Twyford, and property across the road.
Copy. DCC, did you copy that job? It's from the same guy as before.
From comms, I'm on the phone with DCC now, over.
Copy.
HAI 52 comms update.
Go ahead.
Male's likely in flags, green victim and intel held. He has a flag for being anti-police. He's likely to video the entire interaction with you, over.
Copy.
HAI 52 comms update.
Go ahead.
Getting a third call for this Swansea male with the bandana videoing vehicles and property. He's now on Omahu Road, cross of Chatham Road and Barnes Place. Outside Hustler Equipment, over.
Copy. Is he there currently?
I firm.
Copy.
Now also described as wearing a cowboy hat, over.
Roger. HR 52.
Go ahead.
You just shot going off with the mail.
Roger.
How's it going? You want to arrest me?
No, I'm not. I'm just going to talk to you.
I don't really want to talk to you.
Okay. There's some people inside of it.
No, I don't want to know. Go away.
Okay.
Go away. Go away. Am I breaking the law?
I didn't say you were.
Arrest me.
I'm not going to.
Oh, go away then. I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
Everything alright?
Go away.
Are you alright?
Go away.
We're just going to see.
Go away.
Okay?
Go away.
Right, so we just want to make sure everything's alright.
Go away.
How did you get here? Can we give you a lift somewhere?
Go away.
You need a ride home?
Go away.
Okay, we just want to make sure you're alright.
Leave me alone. Go away. Go away. You're intimidating me.
I'm not.
You're intimidating me. Go away. Go away. You're intimidating me.
We're not. We're just trying to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you. Go away. Go away.
Can I talk to you about
No, go away.
the building?
I haven't broken any laws. Go away.
Feeling intimidated by you.
Go away.
I'm just trying to talk to you.
You're intimidating me. Go away.
Okay. Well, you're welcome to leave if you like.
Go away.
You're welcome to leave.
Are you sure we can't help?
Go away.
We want to have
You're intimidating me. You're backing me up all the way down the street. Go away. I don't want to talk to you.
We're not making you go anywhere.
Yes, you are. You keep walking up on me.
We're trying to talk to you.
No, I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
Okay.
Go away.
Welcome to go if you like.
Go away. Go away. I don't want to talk to you. Go away. What don't you get? No, go away. Go away. Are you that sick?
I'm just trying to help.
Sure.
Yeah?
Go away. Go away.
Are you okay?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, well you answered that one. Look, I'm happy to get you some help if you want that, okay? I'll just see you.
Ciao. Have a good one. running me off. I can't hear you, mate. Sorry? Yeah.
HAI 52 comms, welfare check 1 Charlie, Omahu Road.
Yeah, no, it's just here, comms. We've tried to engage with this male. He's not having a bar of us. We've got a photo, we'll put a noting through. You can just K1 that thing.
Roger.
Okay?
What are they doing to you?
Hey?
What are they doing to you?
Thanks for watching my stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Always film police.